Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to create a new app called Register the User. So let's create a new project, and here let's wait so that it's gonna actually load the templates and check this checkbox Kotlin JVM, and here just click on next. For the project name, just type in here Register the User and then click on finish. So let's wait a little bit here, open this folder, register the user, right click on this src folder, and then here new, click on actually Kotlin file, and the name is going to be my file, or name it register, and then click on OK. So inside this file, let's create an entry point. So let's create a variable of type string, so var name of the user, or let's change it to username, is colon string, and let's create another variable where var password colon string. So now I want to actually get these values from the user, right? So I can say username assignment operator read line, password assignment operator read line. So here if I hover over this error area, it says type mismatch, right? So it says that it is actually required to assign a string value to this variable, but the returned value of this method readLine is actually an optional string, right? So in order to solve this problem, we need to just declare these variables as optional, right? By just putting a question mark here, so that the returned value of this method readLine is going to be matched with the type of these variables, username and password. So now when we get these values from the user, then the username and the password, I just need to actually show a message to the user. So we can say println the user, so I can just put two quotes, and here I can say the user with the name, with the username, actually username colon plus username, and just let's put a plus operator here again in order to concatenate this value with other values, two quotes, space, /n. So what is this? What is this /n? This /n is actually a new line, okay? So this means that the next value after this /n is going to be below this value here, below this text, the user with the username. So the /n is actually a special character for creating a new line. And here I can put and enter a new line here, and I just need to put a concatenation operator, two quotes, and so we have the username and the password colon plus password plus two quotes space is registered. So let's run the app. So now in the console here we need to actually enter a value. So as you can see, we didn't put a prompt here, so let's just enter the username here. It's just a simple application. So the username is going to be, for example, some username, and then press on enter key on your keyboard in order to submit this value, and then it's actually going to require us to enter the password. So the password is going to be some password, and then press on enter key on your keyboard. Now this message is outputted to the console. The user with the username some username and the password some password is registered. That's it. So if you have any questions, please post a discussion in the course, and then I'll do my best to answer all of your questions. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.